Hello, friends. Looks like little cars are playing on the playground. It looks like they're having a lot of fun. Looks like the sun is going down. It's almost evening, and it's getting late.
Okay.
Yes.
The kiddos are tired, and it's time to go home to their beds. Guys, let's help the little cars get home. To do this, we need to make a car transporter. This is a special vehicle that carries other cars on a large trailer. Can you do it? Then cars, let's do it.
Okay.
Roger, Dipper, Dumpy, Craney. But how do we make a car transporter? Exactly, Excavator Dipper. First, we need to assemble a trailer, which needs to be big enough for all the little cars.
Wow.
Hey.
Our excited friend Dumpy already has an idea of where to get the parts. Follow him.
Yes.
It looks like Dumpy needs some help. Whoa.
Okay.
Craney, will you help Dumpy to get the parts for the trailer?
Yes.
You can reach very high.
Okay.
Thank you, Craney. Great. And we also need floors where the cars will stand, and a ramp for the cars to get on the truck.
Wow.
Nice. Careful, Tractor Roger. Are you okay? Don't play with machinery.
Okay.
Have we forgotten anything? That's right. The trailer needs wheels because it will not go anywhere without them.
Okay.
For a power unit, we need to make a base with wheels. Great! And here it is. And now, put on the wheels. Well done. Now we need to add an engine. That's more like it. The power unit is almost ready. Now we just need a cabin.
Yes.
But what cabin do we need for our truck? No, this one doesn't fit. It is for an ambulance.
Okay.
What is it? Ah, it's our Tractor Roger. He has brought us a cabin. This cabin is perfect. Thank you, Tractor. Hooray! Our car transporter is ready now.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go take the little cars home. They really cannot wait to go home. That's it. And don't forget to close the ramp.
Okay.
Well done, guys. Today, we've made a car transporter and taken the little cars home. Now even you are a little tired today. Get some sleep. Bye-bye.